My name is Weller. Today I'll show you how to view your sent follow requests on Instagram. First, open Instagram. Go to the account you need, tap the three lines, tap Account Center, then your information and permissions, then download your information. Here, tap Create Export, then tap Device Export. Here, we only select followers and following. That's it, this is the one we need, followers and following. Everything else is not needed. There, go ahead and uncheck those like so. Followers and following, tap save, and then start export. There, once it's done, open the file. Yeah, enter your password, open the file, and your requests will be in there. This was Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.